Ring gear contact patch checking. Here we're going to use a gear marking compound to check the contact patch. This is a General Motors product here. Then we use a small flex brush and we paint a few of the teeth. Here I like to paint about 4 teeth in 4 different locations around the ring gear. We'll paint both the drive side and the coast side. Make sure to make it nice and neat and not too thick. That way it'll wipe off properly. Now, apply a good amount of pressure to your ring gear and then turn your drive pinion. Make sure you apply as much pressure as possible. The greater the amount of pressure, the better the ring gear contact patch will come out. You need to both turn the pinion counterclockwise and clockwise to get contact patch on both sides of the tooth. Now go the other way. The harder you make it to turn, the better the contact patch will be. Here we'll be able to see that the contact is a real thin line, very high on the tooth, but it is centered. This is the coast side. This is because of too much backlash. Here on the drive side, you can also see it's very high on the tooth in the face area, as well as on the heel. Again, this is caused by too much backlash. Now here's a really good contact patch. This is the drive side, right nice in the middle. And the coast side also looks real well. Contact patches move diagonally across the tooth. We prefer to have them in the center of the tooth or not touching on any of the edges. The more pressure you put on, the wider the contact patch. Light pressure will make a thin contact patch and hard to read. Here, even patterns are backlash problems. When they're both on the heel, that's too much backlash. When they're both on the toe, that's too little backlash. Uneven patterns are pinion depth problems. When the heel has the contact, the pinion is too far away from the center line or too much pinion depth. When the contact on the drive side is too much on the toe, then this indicates the drive pinion depth is too close to the center line and it needs to be backed off.